Python begins executing the if statement by evaluating the test expression. More precisely, if the Python state at time t is as follows, where line is I, tab is j, and the expression stack is empty, and the statement at line I, tab j is if test, then at time t plus 1, the state is the following. Line is still I, tab is still j, test is pushed to the expression stack, and we initialize the value stack. If test is true, then LWPython increases both the current line and current tab by 1, and LWPython records the test result in the control map. More precisely, if the Python state at time u is as follows, where line is I, tab is j, the expression stack has an empty stack, the value stack contains true, and the control map is cm, and the statement at line I, tab j is if test, then at time u plus 1, the Python state is as follows. Line is I plus 1, tab is j plus 1, and the expression stack is empty, and the control map is the result of storing pair if true at key j in map cm. Let's look at an example. If the Python state at time 0 is line is 1, tab is 0, and expression stack is empty and control map is also empty, and the statement at line 1, tab 0 is if 3 is equal 3, then we can conclude that at time 0 plus 1 or 1, the Python state is as follows. Line and tab are unchanged, and we push the test into the expression stack. We initialize the value stack. The Python state at time 5 is as follows. Line is still 1, tab is still 0. The expression stack now contains an empty stack. The value stack contains true, and the control map is empty. Then we can conclude that at time 5 plus 1, the Python state is as follows. Line is now 1 plus 1, tab is now 0 plus 1, the expression stack is empty, and the control map is the result of storing pair if true at key 0. We know that the result of storing pair if true at key 0 in an empty stack is equal to the stack with entry 0 and pair if true. Thus, we can conclude that at time 6, the Python state is as follows. Line is 2, tab is 1, expression stack is empty, and the control map contains the entry 0 and pair if true. Python next executes the statement at line 2, tab 1, which is a equals 7. At time 9, the line is 3, the tab is 1, expression stack is empty, the control map still contains the entry 0 and the pair if true, and the variables map now contains an entry A7. Let's try running the simulator to see how LWPython evaluates the if statement. In this program, since 3 is equal to 3, Python should enter line 2 and tab 1 and execute the assignment a equals 7.